Welcome this video title Crafting Productivity Home Office Inspiring Workspace. Introducing in recent time concept to work from home has become more prevalent than even as the boundaries between professional and personal style below the importance of a well designed home office could not be overstated. A thoughtful, curated not only enhance provide but also survey a sound of inspire and motivation. Let's dive into some home office inspire workspace that combine functionally with aesthetic to create an entertainment combined to default work maximizes marvel. A maximalist home office is chaptering by create clean line, natural color and cuts free surface. This design effect create and some uncut elements allowing for battery focal and connected other of a sleep guide original chain and some enhanced aesthetic to main interest a simple yard effect workspace make natural lights and incorporating indoor plants to a touch of natural into the space format